ఇబ్బంది ఉంది. నా పిల్ల నువ్వు అది చూసావు మా దానిలో there. So only the constants are allowed. Only constants are allowed. Okay. So what is a constant? If you mention anything like a final, we will treat that variable as a constant. So we'll treat that as a constant. So what the enumeration is like, same the properties of a class also followed by the enumeration, but some condition that doesn't. But see, there are some conditions that it is not possible to follow by the enumeration. So enumeration is almost like a class. It allows instances, constructor methods, as well as normal methods also. Okay. So how you're going to access that? Already I told you, I think I already shared that one, I think. Do you mind? Yep. Sample. This is not used, right? So even I'm getting confused somewhat. Actually, there are so many projects are available. Just I want to close this one. Okay. Aggregate key Java 4. I think this one. No, not this one. Sorry. See, even I have to type. That is the main issue. It's okay. Again, I'm going to tell you that because of a sudden crash in my PC, there was an issue. This is all about enumeration. It's okay. Just I'm going to take some. I mean, the new one. New. Yep. Sample. Yeah, here it is. Sorry. Yeah, even I'm searching for that. I got it. Just I'm going to share you the screen. Just wait a second. Yeah. So actually, in the last class we discussed about the enum because of I mean there is a confusion for the students, like first year also having a Java class, new people also having a Java class. Okay. So here, what is the enumerated data types? So what is the enumeration? So it is same like as a class. The class starts with a capital letter, and here it is also starts with a capital letter. Some of the properties, not everything, which followed by the class is followed by the tool. So what the class consisting of? There are methods. Now we are going to discuss about the methods. Sorry, methods and instances. And one more thing is like a constructors. Constructor method. Sorry. So constructor methods also available like a C. I mean, sorry, like a class, methods, instances, and constructor methods. Okay. So these are the normal methods. So only these things are same as a high level language like a C or a C++. So why we mention this as a capital letter? Because we consider this all as a constants. So how you are going to declare a constant? According to as we know that how you are going to declare a constant. So inside this we are having an instance variable or a class variable like int pi. Sorry, this is a float. Already said this, but I'm going to tell you again. Is equal to 3.4 a capital 1.4. Sorry. So if it is a like not take a float double, it should be double because there are so many values over here. So this is a constant. So this is a capitals. All these are a capital letters. I already said about uppercase and the lowercase. How you are going to change that one? By using a string class. So here itself, it is similar to that of C language and a C++. But here inside a Java, it allows methods, instances, and a constructor methods also. Okay. So here, how you are going to access that? There are two ways to access that. So like individual, this is the individual one. So this is the individual one. And if you want to access it by using creating a declaration, this is the declaration of enum. It's a declaration of enumeration. And by using the reference as a T, you are going to call the value like this one. And if you want to directly access that one, this is one of them. So directly like inside a println statement, you are going to print these values. Okay. So this one. So if you want to print like this, and this is that one. So T. So value of is a method available inside enumeration. Enumeration consisting of a method, a value of. We are going to retrieve a single value. We are going to retrieve a single value over here. You want to retrieve everything, what you need to do? So you need to use a values like this is an enhanced for loop. This is a tool. Just I want to mention, I want to check whether the string it is working or not. See this one. So the thing is like a required tool, but you provided a string, so which is not allowed. Just I want to show you this error. That's it. Okay, if you want to print everything inside an enumeration, like everything, what are all the methods or a constants or methods or instances or a constructor methods, just use this thing like an array consisting of so many elements. So if you want to access everything, we are going to use enhanced for loop. If you want to access a particular element, what you're going to do that? By using a general for loop. Okay, this is all about enumeration. Just today itself, we are going to discuss about the methods inside an enumeration. Okay. Okay, just wait. So what is a method? As we already know that it consisting of a block. What is a method according to us? What is a block? The block is like it is enclosed within the braces. We already know that of what is a method. So this enumeration concept deals with methods, instances, as well as the declaration, constructor methods. So now we are going to discuss about these methods, how you are going to use it, inside enum method. So this is the enum method, right? Here inside an enumeration, we are going to use methods right now. So members, you know about the members in the sense, what are all the things available inside this block? This is a block. Inside this block, we are having so many statements. We'll call it as a members also. So what is the use of it? So it is like, it is within the block, within the block. So just remember this one. These are the members or a statements. Just remember this as a statements or a members. So these will allow, like from a super class, you are going to get it at the time of inheritance concept. So we are going to inherit enumeration also. So there is also one more concept is like, just you mention in that way. Okay, it is like members declared in the members inherited from the superclass enum. So it is like directly when we are going to retrieve the properties of a parent inside our child class, which is similar to that. There, what we are going to do, we are going to inherit the properties of a class. We are going to implement interface. So here inside enumeration, you are going to extend it. Why we are going to extend that? Which is similar to that of a class. So inheritance is possible inside enumeration. This I want to tell you about that. And implicitly, I already tell you about implicitly in the sense of enumeration, implicit in the sense inside this. Okay, what it is having. So it allows like a final as well as a static as well as a public. Each and every statement or the members inside an enumeration, we can treat it as, I'm not saying we must, we may be also sometimes, we can treat it as a public as well as a final. So what are the things we declared? We declared inside this, maybe final or a static or a public. Okay, just remember this one. So for these constants, like these are a final thing like this. These are a public. Okay, maybe static also. This is also a final static. Okay, think in that way. Okay, how you are going to use a method inside that? Just I want to tell you that one. What is the thing I have to explain? Yeah, directly we can take a class inside this. I mean, sorry, a method inside this. If I mention a method, then I think you will get confused over here. Okay. Yeah, I will go for one more thing. Yeah, where is that one? So just new. Oh. Yeah, sorry. Just about a methods in enum. Okay. Yep. So methods in enum, this is the class name what we are using. What is the syntax for that? So just I'm mentioning it. Just I want to take a public static and void main. Sorry, string. And this is docs. Okay, inside that. So this is a block, and now I'm going to create a enumeration concept. What is enumeration consisting of? Enum, the name of it as like a class. Sorry, I don't want to mention a class. Students, I will mention it as a student. Okay, so this is the name of enumeration. Okay, so don't you go for that. Just I'm going to give you the syntax for that, how you're going to write it. So if I mean, just how you're going to tell that. Yeah. So in the sense of a methods, according to your textbook, what they are saying, there are two methods are available. I mean, not two methods. Sometimes, I mean, so many methods are available, but according to your textbook, I'm telling you, there are two methods which will retrieve the information from the, where it is going to retrieve some information from this enum. If you want to access a single element, what you're going to do that? A value of. If you want to access everything inside enumeration, what you're going to take a method? Values. So inside enhanced for loop, we just mentioned that one, right? So there are two methods are available. I don't want to mention it over here because I already explained this one. As they mentioned inside that, just I'm explaining that. Don't you bother about that. Okay. So inside an enumeration, we are having two methods. Enumeration gives you two methods. If you want to check it out, it's like a students dot. See this one. Only these three methods are available. These three methods are available. One is a value of, which gives you a single element inside an enumeration. Okay. Values in the sense, we are going to retrieve each and every value from the enumeration. So what is the student consisting of? Everything will be retrieved. So these are the methods. They will ask you like, what are all the methods available inside an enumeration? It is like, one is a value of, and one more is a values. So like this, what is the uses of values? This one. Already explained that, but they mentioned a particular topic. That's why I'm explaining it. Okay. So what it consisting of mainly? These three things. So this is for one thing and this is for one thing. So value of a particular another enumerated type. Another enumerated type. There was one more enumeration like a college consisting of students or a branches. So basis on that, we are going to retrieve that information and like the name of the particular element. Okay. Yes, I don't want to mention that because they didn't mention in your syllabus. There is no need to bother about that. Okay. So just I want to delete this. So next one, general enumeration declaration. Yes, I want to check it out. Wait a second. Class method. Why these topics has introduced? I don't know. This one and this one and Java SC. These people are crazy. It's okay. Just a class method. The same thing. What I said about the class object. So commonly the math, what the mathematical operation consisting of, like, is there any law how to find out the cosine or a sine, cos, tan, and cosine, or in somewhat tangential things are available. How to find out a square root. So everything will be inside one program because it takes more time to explain. Even this one also, this one, and the language packages as well as the class object. So the class object in the sense, it is a super class for every object. I mean every class inside a Java. So this is also having like a 20 or a 25. This is having a classes like a packages. This is also having 20, almost 20. And even math are having so many methods are there. So at the time of an examination, try to write at least 5 to 10. If they ask you like a particular, then this is okay, but don't go for this, because here I will tell you this one already, but you need to by heart it, the class math and the class object, as well as, where is that one, java.land.package. So it consisting of somewhat of different conditions. Okay. Okay, I forgot to save my PPT. That's why I lost the document. That is the main thing. I am unable to share you that one. Sorry, tomorrow I will share you that one also. So, okay, so I need to explain in this way. Now we are going for the wrapper classes. What is a wrapper class and how you are going to use that one? So I want to give you one more example, because, yep, yeah, I will give you that example because it is an important topic. Just I want to don't want to quit that one. So there is one more example, like what are all the methods we are using inside an enumeration. We already discussed about it, consisting of a constructor methods and normal methods as well as instances. So how you are going to use that? But you need that example. Without that, you can't even understand that one. Okay. So I will take example of yeah, I will take a student's information, which is good for us. Okay, students information is good for us. Okay, so here itself, just I want to delete this. Just I'm going to take a name as son. The size over here, just I'm going to mention that one like 10, comma, why it is showing error? Expected 0 arguments but found 1. Why like that? It should be visible. Wait a second, just I want to make sure. It should not show any error, such type of errors over here. Create a constructor for enumeration. No, just 1 minute, I will check it out. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. Just I don't want to create that. Actually, it is considering it as a method. It is considering it as a method. So I want to type these things, then I will explain that one. Okay, it is like 11. Should not throw any error like 12. Just 1 second. Yeah, sorry for the interruption. Today itself, finally, students are giving their review, actually taking their reviews and all. So they just send the 5 people to me. Just I need to take care about them. Okay. So they are asking some doubts over there. It's okay. Yeah, where are we now? Yeah. I will try to place it over here. Like, just we'll check it whether it is working properly or not. Just I want to check like 10. So actually the numbers are not allowing, but the previously it got allowed. Just I want to check it out once. Okay, it's okay. The errors maybe came or not. Just I don't want that. Just I want to mention this one. That's like a stars, and it consisting of like the size is like a 10. I'll take it as a 10. Okay. Here I'm going to declare a method like with the private and int age. So this is a variable. So already said that the enumeration consisting of instances and the constants and methods also. Now I'm going to declare about the method. Public final int get age. Okay, I'm going to get the age. So I think like this is an age. Okay. And now I'm going to take this as a method. Okay, cool. So it is a final one. We need to return type. Okay, integer, it should return a type. So for this, I'm going to return age over here. Yeah, cool. Yeah, everything is good, I think. Yeah, everything is good. So where is this? Is ended already. Yep. Should not show any error. It was inside a 7, 8, I think we are using. Yeah, it's okay. We'll go for the main method over here. Maybe there is an issue with this. Yeah, okay, here I'm going to print the values of system dot out dot println, and here itself I'm going to get the age of a particular person. Okay, age of son. Okay, there is a colon. How you are going to retrieve that information? So here you need to get the enum. What is the enum over here? Students. So I want to make it as a student, which is good for me. Yeah, students dot. So here everything is showing over here. Okay, sun 12 or moon 11 and stars 10. Okay, how I am going to get the value of a sun? So I just I'm mentioning the name as a sun, and then a dot get age. See this one, how easy it is. So the easy it is, like we are getting this information. Okay, just I want to run this program when I'm unable to understand, because it is not possible just to throw an error. Constructor tool is a name tool cannot be applied. There I used already this one, but here itself it is not allowing. Oh, this is a correct. It's okay. The time has been done. It's okay. Just I want to check it out whether we need to give any 10th class. Yeah, okay. I will tell you that one. Expecting 0 arguments but found 2 is asking the same thing. So what is this? This is not possible actually. The previous thing, like we supposed to send the values. We can send the value. So see this one, without I didn't mention any value over here. Just I want to get age. So we need to set it method. See this one. Just I want to run this method. See what will it show you. See if there is no argument, how you are going to access that one. So now it is like showing as a 0. Okay. Whether we'll check it as certain. No, it is not possible. So here only we need to mention that one, because maybe Java edition need, maybe there is any changes. I don't know. I want to check it out. Okay. I want to mention the get age. The get age in the sense the initial value is like an int, right? So it is giving only that value. Why this? Okay, it's okay. The time has been done. In the Monday's class we are going to discuss the same thing. So it should allow values, but it is saying like only 0 is allowed. 0 arguments are allowed. Okay, if I mention like a 10 over here, it is saying like it is not possible. Okay, see this one, expected 0 arguments but found 1. So which is not in a good manner. Previously it is supposed to work over here. It is asking to create a constructor if I go for that. Okay, so I want to delete this. Okay, and I want to tell you one thing. Please make sure that send your assignments. This and all you will learn later. That doesn't matter, because everything is on the race of a marks only, right? So just go and write it on your own words and send it to me today itself, by the end of the day. End of the day in the sense, okay, 7 is also okay. But at the end of the day, you are going to submit the assignment. The remaining people, those who send, it is good. So I need to evaluate that, and I am going to post the values. Okay. Thank you. Just learn this one only till here. Just I want to check this out. Okay, I'll check you and let you know. Thank you. We'll leave the class.